Good morning and welcome in the e-learning classes of St. Michael's Academy Bettiya. Students, myself Dr. Janan, and we have the topic scarcity and choice of the first chapter of microeconomics of class 11. Students, scarcity and choice are the essence of economics. Scarcity Scarcity refers to a situation when what you have is less than what you wish to have. In other words, scarcity is a situation in which supply of resources is less than demand for resources. Scarcity is a situation in which supply of resources less than the demand for resources. Demand for resources. It means if the demand for resources or demand for a given resource is greater than its supply, it will imply the situation of scarcity. Scarcity refers to a situation in which supply of resources is less than demand for resources. Students, human wants and desires are unlimited. There are unlimited desires and wants of the human being. But the resources to satisfy these wants or desires are limited. It means resources in relation to our desire are limited. Resources, but the main thing is that resources can be put into alternative uses. Resources can be allocated in the alternative uses. All the wants of human being are not equally intensive. So, problem of choice arises, and the economic problem is the problem of choice. In this way, we see that scarcity and choice are the essence of economics. Professor Robbins has defined the economics in this way. Economics is a science which studies human behavior as a relationship between ends and scarce means which have alternative uses. In this way, he indicates about the scarcity, choice and alternative usage of resources. We can show it in this way to the better understand. First, human wants or desires are unlimited. Human wants unlimited. Second, resources are scarce or limited. Third, resources can be put into alternative uses. All the wants are not equally intensive. all the wants are not equally intensive. Economic problem is the problem of choice. Economic problem is the problem of choice. Human wants or desires are unlimited, but the resources are scarce or limited. Resources can be put or can be allocated into alternative uses. All the wants of human being are not equally intensive. So, problem of choice or problem of selection arises. Choice is the process of selection between the available limited alternatives. In this way, scarcity and choice are the essence of economics. Resources to satisfy our needs are not in such amount that we can fulfill all the needs or desires. That's why economic problem arises and different economic theories are used to satisfy this. Now watch the next video for the more discussion.